Hola chicos, today we're going to talk about direct objects. So, what is a direct object? Essentially, a direct object it answers the question what after the verb. So if I had to describe this picture, I would say something like nadie come pan. Nobody's eating bread. So nadie come pan. What is the direct object? You've got two substantives here. You've got nadie, which is no one, and pan, which means this is a pronoun and this is a noun. One of those is the subject and one is the direct object. So you need to ask yourself, nobody eats what? The answer would be pan, bread. All right, we're going to do a couple of these so that you can get the gist of it. Ellos hacen un brindis. What is the direct object in this one? They make what? Un brindis. That's the direct object. The subject is this pronoun they, ellos, these people. Una mujer lleva una blusa blanca. A woman is wearing a white blouse. What's the direct object? If you said una blusa blanca, you are correct. You got a noun here, mujer, and you got blusa here. So the blouse is the direct object, and everything that describes it is part of the direct object. Ellos usan pajitas en las tazas. They're using straws in their cups or their glasses. So you got ellos, pronoun, pajitas, noun, and tazas, noun. They, straws, cups. What do they use? Pajitas, straws. This is an object of a preposition. Tazas is the object of this prepositional phrase, en las tazas, and that's simply describing las pajitas is an adjective phrase. All right. Un cuenco contiene tomates. A bowl, noun, contains tomatoes. So, a bowl contains what? Tomates. And last one, una mujer tiene pelo rizado. A woman has curly hair. So what are the two nouns? If you said mujer and pelo, you would be right. So a woman has what? Pelo rizado. That would be the direct object. Okay, so if I have this, yo veo una cena, I see a dinner. That's a simple sentence. I've got a subject, I've got a verb, and I've got a direct object, una cena. So the point I'm making in this slide is that the direct object can be a word, in this case, una cena, but it can also be a prepositional phrase. So it can be a direct object phrase. Yo veo una cena con muchos amigos. That is a direct object phrase. Una cena con muchos amigos. So I see it is how I would replace the direct object phrase. If I need to figure out what the direct object is, everything that would be included in the word it is part of the direct object. So for example, yo veo una cena con muchos amigos. The direct object itself would be cena or una cena, and then you've got a whole phrase that describes the dinner. And you've got a determiner or definitivo. Una cena, una points to cena, con muchos amigos revolves around cena, describes cena. So everything that describes that one noun is part of the direct object. But it's not just a phrase or a word. It can also be a clause. So let's look at this example. Yo veo que hay una cena con muchos amigos. I see that there is a dinner with a lot of friends. Yo veo algo. So what you can do with these, if it's a direct object clause, you could actually break the sentence down into two sentences because a clause is nothing more than a simple sentence. So you could say, I see something. There's a dinner with lots of friends. And that could be combined to say, I see that there's a dinner with many friends. That's a direct object clause. So what you're doing is you're nesting a sentence within another sentence, and it's functioning as the direct object. I see what? I see it. Well, what is it? That there is a dinner. The important thing here is that you must have a connecting word. In this case, what we call a conjunction. That's what a conjunction does. It allows you to nest a small sentence into a larger sentence. So, yo veo que hay una cena con muchos amigos. Now, in English, we leave that que out a lot, but in Spanish, you have to have the connecting word. And that's it. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or put some comments in the comments below. But a direct object can be a direct object word, a direct object phrase, or a direct object clause. And if it is a clause, you have to have a connecting word to introduce that clause within the larger sentence. I hope that's clear. I'll see you next time.